This message is brought to you by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Every day, we are surrounded by laser devices. They are not only used in high-tech industries such as medicine, military, construction, and entertainment, but are very common in our own homes. The widespread misuse of lasers has resulted in many accidental injuries.
At the heart of this common pointer is a powerful laser. When used appropriately, it's harmless. If shown directly into the eye, however, it can cause instant injury. Laser injuries are almost always to the eye, and because they're usually painless, could go unnoticed for days or weeks, and in babies or young children, may not be noticed for years. Although some may resolve on their own over time, occasionally these injuries can lead to permanent damage to your eyesight. These risks are certainly more than enough reason to keep laser pointers away from children.
The Food and Drug Administration regulates lasers and groups them into classes based on their danger to eyes and skin. Most toys contain Class 1 or Class 2 lasers, which are generally considered lower risk. The U.S. toy industry has worked hard to ensure that toys with lasers on the market today minimize risk for children. Even so, you should never play with a broken laser toy.
Discard any broken laser-containing toy immediately. If an optical component of the laser is damaged, the laser could be harmful. And never let your child break open the toy. The laser inside could be hazardous without its protective housing.
Laser products that are not toys tend to utilize more powerful lasers. These lasers pose a greater risk if used inappropriately or maliciously.
Never direct a laser at any vehicle. Some types of lasers will scatter when aimed across the windshield of a car or cockpit of a plane, resulting in an extremely bright light that can startle or temporarily blind the driver or pilot. This has the potential to cause serious accidents.
The FDA recognizes that there are varied and legitimate uses of laser pointers. But remember, any laser can cause harm if not used properly. The FDA recommends the following. Do not buy laser pointers for children or allow them to use them. These products are not toys. Do not buy any laser pointer that emits more than 5 milliwatts power or does not have the power printed on the warning labeling. Handheld laser pointers over 5 milliwatts and those that are not properly labeled are illegal and potentially dangerous. Check the power of any laser pointer that you own. If it has a power greater than 5 milliwatts, dispose of it safely according to local environmental protection guidelines. Do not aim or shine laser pointers at any person, pet, vehicle, or aircraft, or through reflection by mirrors or other shiny surfaces. In the event of injury, immediately consult your eye doctor. Remember, laser-based toys and devices are generally safe if used as directed and for their intended purposes.